Welcome to class 5th. This is your math class of chapter number 3. Chapter name is large numbers. Already in previous video, that was session 6, we have finished question 1 to 4 of exercise 3rd B. Okay. So today we will start question number 5. You can see on the screen this one question, write in descending order. So we have descending order means what? Bigger to smaller number. So we have to write these all downside number into descending order. Okay, means bigger to smaller number only. So how to find descending order? Let us see here the solution of this question. See here, this is given question 5th A. So firstly we will write upside their number, which one is the biggest. Okay, so you can see here all number having up to 10,000 place. Okay, all number having 5 digit. Okay, clearly you can see. So now check place of 10,000 digit. What is given here is 72,000, 82,000, 28,000, here 35,000, and here is 73,000. Which one is coming the biggest number? Here is 82,567. So it is the bigger, right upside 1. Now leave this number. Other number check. Which one is the biggest number? Lefting other. You can see here 72,000 and here is 73,000. 73 is bigger, so right upside here 2. Okay. The next here is 72,000. So right upside here 3. And the fourth one, which one is biggest? You can see here 35,000 or 28,000. 35 is bigger by 28. So right here upside 4. And last is left 28,493. So as I have written upside there number. Now we can arrange easily these number into descending order. As you can see, first number what is coming? 82,567. First one this one will be, and then put comma. Second number 73,642. Okay, put comma. Then third number 73,897. Put comma. Fourth one is coming 35,227. And the next number, fifth one, it is coming 28,493 only. Got it? Now let us see next fifth B part. You can see here it is given fifth B part, all number having up to lakh place. Okay, because all numbers, how many digit having? 6 digit. You can see and can check also. So firstly look at the place of 6. Lakh. Lakh place digit what is given? We have to check from left side. Okay, here lakh place digit 6, second 4, third 6, fourth 7, and fifth one 6. Which one is coming more? Lakh place 7 is coming more. So which one will be the biggest number? 7,80,900. Then after next check other number, which one is the biggest, and leave this. You can see here it is given 6,42,000. This one is given 4,39,000. This one is given 6,49,000, and this one is given 6,43,000. Clearly you can see which one is coming more. Here 10,000 place 49 it is coming. 6,49,000. It is bigger by other number. So write upside here 2. Then after 6 lakh, here is 42,000 and fifth one number having 43,000. So 43 is less by 43. Okay. So third one number this one only, because 43 it is bigger by 42. So write upside here 3. Next, which one is more? 64,589, and this is 4 lakh. Clearly you can see it is 6 lakh place and here is 4. So which one is more? 6 lakh 42,589. Last it is left 5,39,575. So it is fifth number. Okay. Now we have right upside their number. Now we can arrange into descending order. Which one is coming? First number 7,80,900. Okay. Put comma here. Second number 6,49,700. Okay. Third one is coming 6,43,826. Then put comma here. Okay. Fourth one is coming 6,42,589. Then here also put comma. Last number what is left? Fifth one. You can see here 4,39,571. Got it? Similarly, we will do next C part also. So look at C1 part. Here C1 part. Firstly count the place, means every number having how many digits. So it one first number having 1,45,28,302. Next 2,65,49,000. Next 1,50,45,369. And this one is given 21,72,603. You can see here it is coming up to 10 lakh place, and other number are coming up to crore place. Last number also 1,23,36,408. Okay. Simply you can see it is the smallest number in all numbers. So last one, this one will be only. Okay. So now check here which one is coming. Here crore place digit 1. Here is crore place 2. Here is 1. And here crore place 1. You can see 1 is less than by 2. So which one will be more? Means biggest number 2,65,49,000. Now we have to check in these number. 1,45 lakh. This is given 1,50 lakh, and this is given 1,23 lakh. You can see here 1,50 lakh, 10 lakh place 50 lakh, here 45 lakh, and here is 23 lakh. 50 is bigger by other number. So second number will be 1,50 lakh. Okay. So next number what will be? 1,45 lakh, because 23 is less than by 45. So third one will be this one. And fourth one 1,23 lakh. Okay. And next last one what is left? 21,72,603. Now we will write these number into descending order. Okay. See here. So first number what is coming here? 2,65,49,000. So firstly we have to write this number only. Okay. So firstly write here 2,65,49,000. Then put comma. Second number what is coming? 1,50,45,369. Put comma here. Third number is coming 1,45,28,302. Then put comma. Fourth one 23,36,408. Okay. Then put here comma. Next number last what is left? 21,72,603. Got it? So as I done these part, similarly you can do other remaining part also. Okay. So let us see which part you will do as your homework. See here, as I done fifth A, B and C part, similarly you can do D, and E part. Okay, these both part you can do yourself. Now let us see next question. What is given? Write in ascending order. Ascending order means what? It is opposite of descending, smaller to bigger number. So let us see here. Sixth A part, what is given? It is given 7,42,503. We have to check firstly smallest number. Okay, it is given up to lakh place. Second number 5,520. It is 63,825. 93 lakh 16,224. 84 lakh 20,369. Simply you can see second number having up to 1000 place only, and third number 10,000, and other number having 10 lakh, and one is having lakh place. So 1000 is smaller by lakh and 10,000. So first number what will be smallest? 5,520. This is given 10,000 place. So second number will be 63,825. Last fourth one and fifth one, these two number are given up to 10 lakh, and first number it is given up to lakh. So lakh is smaller by 10 lakh. So third one will be smaller number 7,42,503. Then after 93 lakh 16,000, here is 84 lakh 20,000. Simply you can see up to 10 lakh place 93, it is 84. 93 is bigger by 84. So 84 it is small, right here upside 4. Last one, what will be the biggest number? 93 lakh. Okay, so right upside here fifth one. Got it? So as I written upside their part, now you can arrange these number into ascending order. So first one you have to write 5,520. Okay, so first one we have to write which one number? First one number 5,520, second 63,825, then third one 7,42,503, and fourth one 84,20,369, and fifth one 93,16,224. Okay, as I written in descending order in question number 5. Similarly here also you will write. Okay, next B part, what you have to do? You can see here B part, first number it is given 89 lakh, up to 10 lakh place it is given 10,123. Okay, and second number 9,75,342. Next 71,421. Next 56,064, 56,64,248, and this is 8,16,324. You can see here some number are coming up to 10 lakh, up to lakh, and one number is coming up to 10,000. So 10,000 is smaller by lakh. So firstly we have to check smaller number. So first number what will be? 17,421. Okay, I have written here upside 1. Then after check in lakh place only, because lakh is smaller by 10 lakh. So in 9 lakh, and this is 8 lakh. 8 is smaller by 9. So second number what will be? 8,16,324. Then after lakh place it is coming 9,75,000. So right here 3. Now you can check in both up to 10 lakh. Here 10 lakh place digit 89. Here is 56 lakh. So 56 is smaller by 89. So fourth one will be 56 lakh 64,248. And then after fifth one will be 89,123. Okay. So as I upside written their number, you can arrange these number into ascending order. So firstly you have to write this one 71,421. Second one 8,16,324. Third one you have to write 9,75,342. And fourth one 56,64,248. And fifth one 89,10,123. Okay, because we are finding here ascending order means smaller to bigger. Got it? Now next C1 part. it is given 12 lakh 24,360. This is given 9 crore 18 lakh 27,364, and this is given 48 lakh 16,203. This is given 6 lakh 12,182, and this is given 24 lakh 50,071. You can see here one number is coming up to lakh place only, and three number are coming up to 10 lakh, and one number is coming up to crore. Obviously you know very well lakh is smaller by 10 lakh. So first one, lakh place digit, what is coming? Here is coming 6 lakh 12,182. So first one will be this one only. Okay, then after check in 10 lakh place digit. Here 10 lakh 12, here is 48, and here is 24. Which one is the smallest? 12 is smallest. So second will be 12 lakh 24,363, 60 only, and the third one will be 24, because 48 is bigger by 24. So 24 it is smaller, right here 3. Then after in both these number it is given up to crore, and it is given up to 10 lakh. So 48 lakh it will be 4, and last one it is left 9 crore 18 lakh 27,364. Okay, now you can write these number into ascending order. So first number you have to write this one, 6 lakh 12,182, second 12 lakh 24,360, third one 24 lakh 50,071, fourth one 48 lakh 16,203, and last one, fifth one, you have to write 9 crore 18 lakh 27,364. Got it? So as I done these A, B and C part, similarly you can do D and E part. Okay, so these both part is your homework. Note down these questions. These questions should be your in your homework copy only. Okay, now let us see the next question number 7. What is given this one? Question number 7, make the greatest and the smallest number using all the given digit. So what we have to do here in this part, downside digits are given, different digits are given. By using these all digits we have to make firstly greatest number, then after we have to make smallest number. Okay, so firstly for making greatest number, what we have to do, always remember it, when we are making greatest number then arrange the digit into descending order, and smallest number when we are making then arrange the digit into ascending order, means smaller to bigger number. So as you can see, first part it is given 4, 2, 8, 3, 6 and 5. So which is the greatest number here? Because we are finding here which order we have to find here, descending order. 8 is the biggest, so right here 8. 8 after 6, 6 after 5, 5 after 4, 4 after 3, 3 after 2. Okay, next number opposite of this one, what will be? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, so here required number would be 2,34,568, smallest number, and greatest number 8,65,432. Now B1 part. Here see which is the biggest number, 8. 8 after 7, 7 after 6, 6 after 5, 5 after 4, 4 after 2 and 2 after 0 it is given. Okay, then after we have to find smallest number. Always remember it, when we are finding smallest number then arrange the number into ascending order, and 0 always write in second place. So firstly we have to write smallest number 2, then after second number 0 second place. Okay, and check which one is smallest. 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8. Okay. Next C part it is given. So biggest number what is 9, 9 after 7, then 5. Okay, these are over. Then 3, 3 after 1 is left, and then after 2 times 0 is given. So write here 0 2 times. Okay. Then smallest number we are finding 0 2 time is given. We have to write in second place only. Always remember it. So firstly smaller number what is given 1. Okay, 1 after 0, 0. 2 times we have to write because 2 times 0 is given. Then after 3, 3 after 5, 5 after 7, 7 after 9. Okay. Similarly, we will do next D part also. Okay. So here, which one is the biggest number? 8. 8 after 7, 7 after 6, 6 after 5, 5 after 4, 4 after 3, 3 after 2 times 2 is given. Okay. Then biggest number what will be of opposite of this one will be. Okay. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 after 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So as I done this part, similarly you will do E part also. This part will be your homework. Okay. Note down, this question should be in your homework copy only. So up to here only your exercise third B it is over, and chapter number 3 it is also over. Got it? So now thank you students, have a nice day.